Hello, this is Cameron, United Credit, showcasing our trade line here. We have a Citibank 10,000 limit, 6 years for $320. It is CPN friendly. Goes on CPNs or personal socials. Again, that is a 6-year older trade line. Remember, the older trade lines give you the biggest boost on profiles. What we're doing, we're increasing the average age. Because the average age is about 15% of the score for your profile. So if you increase that average age, that's the best way, almost the only way you can increase that score quickly. 7 to 14 days is to buy a trade line. We have over 400 authorized user trade lines ranging from 6 months to 30 years. So call for details or get on our trade line list at tradelines.biz or call for a full free consultation. We can go over your profile for free and let you know how the trade lines can impact and raise your score quickly. Sometimes 100, 120 points. So sometimes it cannot increase your score. We can let you know that as well, so you can save money in that buy trade line if you don't need it. But again, the consultation is totally free. Call us at 202-213-2218. Subscribe to the channel for updates, weekly updates in our weekly trade line. Again, we have a Citibank 6-year trade line, 10,000 limit for only $320. That's a great price. We do work with brokers. We do have wholesale rates. And we do guarantee all of our trade lines. Money back guarantee. Thank you. Have a great day.